In this episode of Field Guide to DIY, I'm going to show you step by step how to hack the Kallax bookcase from IKEA with a TV mount. Let's dive in.
Step 1. Mark the length of your cut. Step 2. Cut your filler board to length. Step 3. Drill pocket hole pilot holes. Man, I wish I had my Craig jig pocket hole jig. I also forgot my countersink bit, so I used the larger bit to countersink the heads. Bonus tip, get all your screws started before you position your filler board. Step 4, apply a bead of wood glue to both top and bottom of your filler board. Step 5, position your filler board. Step 6, screw in the filler board.
It's well lit.
And finally, mount the TV mount to the filler board. Is this a great angle or what? I screwed in 1-inch wood screws into the filler board and used the washers that came with the TV mount. Screw in 2 more TV mount screws, mount the Kallax to the wall, and we're ready to watch TV.
For more tips and suggestions, click the image on your screen now.